Hello friends, I'm Mohit Verma. Today I will teach you how to make a bracelet using sweep command in SolidWorks 2016. Select new, go to part, then OK. First of all go to top plane, then sketch and sketch a circle of dimensions 150. Now take a point on the circle for the reference plane. Go to features, reference geometry, and then plane. Select the first reference and then the second reference and then OK. Now sketch on the plane 1. Sketch the required shape. Take it 10. Make it 30. Then exit. Now in the features tab, go to sweep command. Here select the path and then options. Now go to this profile twist and here we will select specify twist value in terms of revolutions. Make it 8 and here we get the required bracelet. Apply the appearance as per your requirement. Thank you so much. It's Mohit Verma.